Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook up some Jamaican curry chicken, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have the chicken here, the different a range of curry powder, salt, carrot, onion, ginger, scallion over here, and I forgot the garlic, so I'm gonna get some garlic from the fridge. We can actually smash these or slice them, or smash them and slice them. So I slice that, and I'm going to smash this one, and then we slice it so that we can get all the juice from there. Somebody's gonna cry now. What? Same as we've done with the garlic, we can do with the ginger. We can smash it to get all that juiciness out of it, or just slice it. Right, so apart from the seasonings we just chopped, I'm gonna put some salt, like.
Okay, mommy, this is my homework.
I'm also gonna be using some chicken season that I got from the supermarket. David, stop with that thing. From the supermarket. About a teaspoon and a half. I have like 4 different curry powders here. This is the hot curry powder, like spicy. I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put a teaspoon and a half, I think, and that says it's sharp, so it's mixed spices. This one is from the Indian shop. We threw away the container, but we have this, and I'm going to put a hefty amount of this one. We're not putting the seasoning in the chicken. We're taking the chicken off just like this, and we're frying it without the seasoning, or without most of the seasoning. Woo! God. I want you guys to see the chicken when it's fried, that it has the yellow color I'm looking for. And when it's almost cooked, I add all this, I add all of this, the vegetables that we prepared. And the first one, you see that? That's what I'm looking for. So the next step before the chicken starts burning is to add a tip of water to the frying chicken, and then just cover that to steam a bit. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes, then you add the vegetables. and let that cook for 10 more minutes, and then it's done. There you have it, or here you have it, the curry chicken, and I'm gonna taste it for you. It's the moment of truth. Hano, do you want to try yours and tell me if you like it? It's nice. The carrots are still crunchy, so that's why I didn't put them in too early, so they're not soft and mushy. They're still crunchy. And the meat is still tender because it wasn't cooked for hours. Thumbs up. So there you have it. I'm gonna finish my meal and see you next time in my kitchen. Ciao. Bye bye.